Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is centered less network anomaly detection based on domain adaptation for 5G network security. So let's see what are the proposed things by the author. Here you can see the 5G edge network, whereas the contribution based on AI based network anomaly improving the security of AI. So there's been a disadvantage as like insufficient amount of data as well as the data rich domain, the problem caused by the data driven AI. So to overcome those things, as well as there has been advantage of performance degradation in security, as well as the resource and time data labeling cost a lot. So in this we are going to be proposing through the process with the two types of data set as NSL KDD as well as ESW NB15 data set to improve the process of domain adaptation as well as the knowledge transfer to solve the domain shift problem. So let's see the process of this thing, this project. So here you can see that first we have been already set the data to push the data in the data set. So we have been selecting the data. First of all, you need to log in for it by using the username and password. Login for now. Here you can see that 4 modules, which is load data set and net feature extractor, network anomaly classifier, and finally performance evaluation. First of all, initially you need to browse information for source data as well as target data. So data set has been added, that is selected for source data. Now for target data we have been selecting. Once the information has been loaded means go for the feature extractor. There you need to start the processing where the information will be extracted from the source domain as well as the target domain data. It will classify as in the format of what are the ID, data, duration, prototype, and the server information, state, and source plus destination byte. All those things from the source and the target domain will be segregated and it will be shown. And next is a network anomaly classifier. Here you need to make a classification process. You're going to be classified in the format of normal traffic as well as the abnormal traffic, so that you can check with that what is the ID, duration, prototype, service state, and also attack category. So let's check with that. In normal traffic, most probably every information will be of normal, and for the abnormal traffic you can see it what are the things means as an 3 or 4 types of attacks it will be performed, and finally performance evaluation. As you can see that what is the source data and target data with the accuracy, recall, precision, and FI score. So by this way you can check with that the actual anomaly detection, and you are going to be achieved through the domain adaptation for 5G network security of informations. So that's all for it. Thank you everyone.